Use this procedure to delete a department that you no longer use. Deleting a department record does not affect existing inventory records or history documents. The department name remains in place in both of those areas, and reports can still be generated for the deleted department. Deleting a department record does not remove the department from the item records. Deleting a department record does not remove the department from the item records. If the department is still in place on item records, the item records should be updated to reflect your department structure. We're going to highlight the department record, computer, HP. We're going to click on the I want to, and you can choose delete, or you can double click delete on the left hand side of the toolbar. You get the confirmation that you selected one department to delete. We'll click delete to confirm, and it deletes that department. Let's go to the item list. Here you see where there's an HP computer for the department right here. You will need to change this item record. We will change that to consignment, and it's saved. And we'll go to the home screen.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.